Hey guys, Aaron at JPC here. Today we're going to test out our S550 line lock kit on our EcoBoost Mustang. Alright guys, we're going to do a quick overview of the kit here. Comes with your line lock solenoid, the fittings to mate to the factory lines, and your stainless steel brake light upgrade. This actually mirrors the other side of the car as well. Alright guys, first step here, we're going to shut off advanced track. What you got to do, hold the traction control button for 10 seconds with your foot on the brake pedal. You'll wait until it says advanced track off on your dash. Alright, we got the message. So, next step here, we're going to put it in drive. Take our foot and firmly press it on the brake pedal, and then hit the switch. Once the switch is engaged, let off the brake pedal, then you can slowly start pressing on the gas. Alright guys, and to disengage the line lock, all you need to do is push down the cover. It'll release the switch, you'll feel the pressure come back at the brake pedal, and you're good to go. Alright guys, and that is how you use the JPC line lock kit on your S550 Mustang.